Hey, okay, so now we're going to do the same experiment again, but instead of using fur to charge the rods, we're going to use silk. So same procedure, going to fill in that table using a silk charged rod instead of a fur charged rod. So in order to clear whatever charge is already on these rods, I'm going to wipe them down with an alcohol wipe, just like one of these things that you might get to, I don't know, from your doctor or whatever, I don't know. I'm going to wipe each one down, and what that does is any charge that might be on there can just be like released into the air as the alcohol evaporates, which it will do pretty quickly. All right, so I'm going to do the same order again. I'll do acrylic and then rubber and then glass. So I'm going to take my acrylic rod, rub it with this silk thing. I'm just going to show you that this balloon is still negatively charged because when I bring my hand close to it, it comes towards me, okay? So I've got this acrylic rod. What's this going to do? Okay, so it's still attracted to the acrylic rod. Now I'm going to rub the rubber rod with the silk. All right, here we go. Yeah, it's definitely coming towards me. Okay. And now I'm going to rub the glass rod. And it's definitely coming towards me again.